Good morning, students. For class 8, fill in the blanks. PAN is a computer network created for an individual person. Communication systems allow us to talk to any person in the world at any time. A computer network enables two or more computers to share data and hardware resources. In a network, modification or upgradation of the software or data is done at a single point only. The computers that communicate with each other are called nodes. A network maintained without using wires is called wireless networking. LAN and MAN are different types of networking. This is the given hints. Next, true, false. Nodes and servers have the same functions. False. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. True. Network cards are used to physically attach a computer to a network. True. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. True. In client-server network, there is no central server. False. Extranet refers to a computer network restricted to an organization. False. Application-based question. Mr. Hammond has set up his office with 50 computers. He wants to connect computers and peripheral devices within his office building with wires. Which type of network will you suggest him to use? LAN, local area network. Which type of network architecture is the most suitable when a few number of computers having similar power and capacity are to be networked together? Peer-to-peer network. Arpita wants to attach her computer to a network so that it can participate in network communication. Which card will you suggest her to use? Network card. Raman wants to send a few photographs and songs to one of his friends by interconnecting mobile using short range wireless connection. Which technology will be the most suitable for her? Bluetooth. MCQ. Which is the most commonly used network card? Ether network card. The dash are the certain set the rules to determine how data should be transferred over the network protocols. What do we call the computers that are connected to the server? Nodes. Dash security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. Network. Dash is a device that connects wireless communication devices to form a wireless network. Web.